If you want to know where the locals head for shopping on Saturdays in Kalangut, then this video is for you. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I am heading towards the Kalangut market. So it's only operational on Saturdays, and you'll find this market busy at around 10 in the morning. And yes, so this is where it starts. These are the local stalls. So a few days back we bought some water apples from here. And hello, you don't have the water apples today? No. Okay, thank you. Good. Yeah, thank you. Alright, so this auntie here, she was selling the water apples, and I am here with my mother-in-law, so she's gone a bit ahead. So the market starts at around maybe like 9 or 10 in the morning. I'm not sure because we've not come early. We always come here at around 10 or 11, and as you can see here, that's how it is. So it's in the shape of a rectangle. It was renovated recently, so it looks very good. Here there are these shops where they sell grams and mostly dry stuff, coconuts and everything, sweets and all of that. So yes, there are multiple stalls, dry fruits, spices. And few days back we bought the papadums. I think they're called these little things to fry, so they were very good. But yeah, let's skip that for now and let's go a bit ahead. So many stalls. I need to catch up with my mother-in-law, so I am going through this market a bit quickly because we need to go grocery shopping. So yeah, all the things here are quite cheap. Even if you're lucky, you can get some things that are cheaper than the Mapsa market as well. Like the things to fry and all, we bought it for like 20 rupees a packet. On the left here are mobile covers and so many things like basic stuff, the scissors and all of that. You can find almost everything here. Okay, now this is where the main market begins. So we always come here, and that's my mother-in-law. So that's the pumpkin, right? So pumpkin is for like 2 pieces is for 50 rupees, and as you can see here, there is so much. Like there's beetroot, and then there's chili and cluster beans, capsicum. Check this huge pumpkin out over here, guys. And as you can see here, the market is like in the shape of a rectangle. So what we do is we walk from this side and we keep buying stuff. Give me the bag. So we have bought like 3 or 4 bags, and we always make sure we get the sturdy ones. So these bags, as you know, in Goa, many people use these. These are like for 70 or 80 rupees. And this gentleman here, he has corn. Kitle? Chambar. So that's 100 rupees, and for 100 rupees, it gives all for 100. All this for 100. One vanta. Corn? So yeah, all of these corn, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're all for like 100 rupees. Okay, so let me just walk a little bit ahead and show you what's there. So on the left here are clothes, and this is completely the clothes section. On the left here are belts. These again here, the ladies, they have chilies and capsicum, cauliflower. And again guys, like I said, there are some things here that you can find even cheaper than Mapsa market that we had visited recently. As you can see, even many of the international tourists, they come here for shopping. Okay, so yes, give me, put in this. So we bought the pumpkin, 50 rupees for 2, and cucumber as well. How much is that? How much is that?
कैसा एक काकड़ी?
काकड़ी 2 काकड़ी
हाँ
2 आटा 30 rupees. So if you can see the cucumber there, the gentleman is carrying one. One group is called one vanta. So 2 are for 30 rupees. Okay, let me walk a bit ahead. I'm just going ahead and coming. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I just told my mother-in-law that I'll be heading a bit ahead. So let me show you, there are carrots here, and then there are chilies, big chilies that are used for frying. That's how the market looks. It's a huge place. Somewhere that side is the fish section, so I will be heading that side as well. But for now, Mama is waiting there, so I just need to wait for her. I'll be going there soon. So there's a lot of hustle and bustle. Look at this, so much we've got. We even bought coriander and everything. And my mother-in-law, she has this fancy trolley sort of a bag. I'll go that side, huh? I'll go there. I'll stand at the entrance.
Entrance?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, this is trolley bag. Trolley, you can pull this. Trolley bag. Don't have to carry.
Yeah, no problem. So it's a bit of a mess because we have a lot. Plus I'm shooting, and I don't know what went wrong. I went to the fish section, but that's not captured in the video. So I'll quickly go through the fish section as well and show you like what all is there over here. On the right there is mackerel, there are shrimps, prawns. Left here there's soulfish, mussels, and on the right here is kokar. So there's so much, guys. There's a lot of stuff, mostly mackerels. This lady here is selling dried fish. This lady on the left here, she's cleaning what looks like tuna, I guess. Huge crabs here. So there is a lot in the market, but then we recently bought fish, so I don't think so we'll buy, but I don't know. My mother-in-law will be coming here to this section, and what I want to do right now is I also want to go to the fruit section because I told her I will be meeting her outside. And this on the left here is the bhaji and vada and the food section, basically of all the oily stuff. I would love to come here and try some of this. Looks really fresh. Okay, now let's head over to the fruit section. But let me quickly check if my video is still recording, because for some reason the camera stopped recording in the previous clip. So yes, guavas, grapes, lots of mangoes. That's nice to see. Muskmelon, and look at the collection this guy has. So this here down next to the behind the guava is called Bull's Heart. Grapes, huge guava, bananas there. So yes, nice to see. There are lots of fruits. Watermelons have come in the market as well. Let me go through this quickly because I have two heavy bags, and guys, I'm so sorry, it's not possible for me to ask each and every person what is the cost of the fruits and vegetables and all of that. Yeah, so again we are back to the vegetable section. So we pretty much covered almost everything. I'm going to take a left from here. Look at the number of bananas. So different varieties of bananas. Brinjals here, again different varieties of brinjals. So many tomatoes. I really love visiting such markets because you get to see so much. Lots of line here, and as you can see, people, they just keep coming in and going out. Like there is always, and there's even eggs that you can buy here. Chicken as well. I have figured out what the issue is, guys. The device is overheating, so I'll be quick with this. So this used to be an open air market. It was a mess during the monsoons, but as you can see behind me, they have improvised it. There's a roof now, so it's a good experience in case if you're a tourist or if you live in Kalangut or nearby areas, you should visit. The rates here, the things that you get here are decent. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive, and do leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.